a research team from Danburi Rajabhat University traveled to Guangzhou to collect data at JIANGNAN market. They found that Guangzhou is the capital of Guangdong province, the largest city in southern China, and home to 3 of China's special economic zones, Shenzhen, Zhuhai, and Shantou. Located at the mouth of the Zhu River, Guangzhou is the largest city in southern China, with a history of over 2,200 years. It was a major terminus on the former Silk Road, and was also the first and only free port to welcome Western traders. Guangzhou's JIANGNAN fruit and vegetable wholesale market was established in 1994, and has now become the largest market of its kind in China, enjoying the biggest trade volumes in China among similar markets for the past 15 years. In 2018, Guangzhou's JIANGNAN market traded a total of 558 million tons of fruit and vegetable valued at $3.96 billion, representing an increase of 2.22% in volume and 1.94% in value over 2017. Moreover, the market has been the foremost trading center in China. For imported fruits, any price fluctuations at JIANGNAN have caused or influenced nationwide trends in the prices of imported fruit across China. The JIANGNAN market executive stated that the market primarily trades vegetables, but the fruit trade is primarily concentrated in the JIANGNAN market, which imports 60% of China's total fruit imports. For Thai durian imported into China, the JIANGNAN market is the source for its purchases. Durian, Thailand exports more than 23,000 to 30,000 containers of this fruit to this market annually. The JIANGNAN market executive also stated that in the future, there will likely be further cooperation to promote agricultural imports and exports between China and Thailand. JIANGNAN market is the oldest and largest wholesale, import, fruit market in China, and thus boasts strong resources, including experienced and skilled staff, an efficient management system, and a network of traders and customers throughout China. Qinzhou Port and ILSTC Trade Corridor is a major port in Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, China. It is an important trade gateway connecting Thailand to western and central China. Located in the Bibu Gulf, it is closest to Thailand, making it the fastest shipping route to China. Qinzhou Port represents a new option for Thai businesses to conduct business, particularly with provinces in western and central China. With its comprehensive infrastructure, logistics systems, and special policies to promote investment in the Qinzhou Port area. The China, Guangxi, Free Trade Experiment Zone, Qinzhou Port Subarea, and Qinzhou Bonded Port Zone. Qinzhou Port is a potential investment destination, ideal for manufacturing sectors planning to launch production and processing businesses to penetrate the domestic Chinese market, or to process goods for export to third countries via the ILSTC Trade Corridor's comprehensive transportation network, including sea and rail, the China-Europe Railway Express. The ILSTC, New International Land and Sea Trade Corridor, is one of China's national strategies for developing transport connectivity. It is included in the 14th Five-Year Plan for National Economic and Social Development, 2021 to 2025. It connects to the Northern Silk Road Initiative, the Southern 21st Century Maritime Silk Road, and the Yangtze River Economic Corridor. Qinzhou Port handled 31.54 million tons of imports and exports, a 35.9% year-on-year increase. It operates 42 international shipping routes, of which 36 are with ASEAN member states, including 7 with Thailand, Bangkok Port and Lame Chabang Port. A key highlight is the Lame Chabang Qinzhou Port Express route, a fruit-carrying route that operates 5 times per week with a transit time of just 3 days. The seamless ship plus rail transport model at Qinzhou Port and the Railway Container Service Center station have benefited from the rapid development of the ILSTC Trade Corridor, enabling rural railway stations like the Railway Container Service Center station in Qinzhou Port to experience rapid growth and become an international freight hub. The Qinzhou Railway Container Service Center station plays a key role as a connector for container shipping under the ILSTC strategic framework, and as a pilot station for intelligent operation within the ship plus rail transport model. Currently, rail services operate from Qingzhou Port to major cities throughout China, particularly the Western economic hubs, Chongqing, Chengdu, and Kunming, offering daily services. This represents a potential new distribution point for China. The ILSTC route has already achieved over 70% operational stability, significantly stimulating trade between ASEAN and China. It is also developing into a comprehensive cross-regional platform built on 5 pillars: logistics, finance, industry, trade, and information. For Thailand, the ILSTC opens up new trade and investment opportunities, particularly in international imports and exports, transport route development, and industrial expansion. It also strengthens economic ties between Thailand and Western China, fostering long-term regional cooperation and growth.